Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So hope all of you doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of the history. So let's get started. The first unit we are going to cover is our historiography, that is development in the western side, in which we are going to talk about tradition of historiography, modern historiography, scientific development and scholars in the west side. In this first unit we are going to learn about the western parts. Historiography is nothing but the study of history. That's all. Let's move further. In the second unit we are going to talk about Indian tradition, Indian side, in which we are going to cover the 2 points: tradition of Indian historiography and various works. Moving forward, in third chapter, that is applied history, we are going to learn about what is applied history, research in various fields, research of present, management of applied history and affiliated fields of the applied history. In the fourth unit, that is history of the Indian arts, in which we are going to learn about what is arts, Indian tradition and visual arts, Indian tradition and performing arts and applied arts. That's all about unit 4. In the unit 5, we are going to learn about the mass media and history, introduction of mass media, history of mass media, need of the mass media, informational analysis, mass media and professional analysis and professional aspects of the mass media. That's all about the unit 5th. In 6th unit, that is entertainment and the history, we are going to learn about why do we need entertainment, folk theatre, Indian film industries, entertainment and the professional opportunities in that field. Moving further, in 7th unit, that is sports and the history. As name suggests, we are going to talk about the sports and we are going to learn about the history of the sports, that is in which important sports, types of sports, globalization of sports, games matter, toys and history, literature and movies on sports, sports and professional opportunity related to sports field. After that, in 8th unit, tourism and history, we are going to learn about the past tourism, types of tourism, development of tourism, conservation and reservations, opportunities in tourism and history. In the 9th unit, that is heritage management, in which we are going to learn about the sources of history, their conservation, after that the preservations, museums, encyclopedia, libraries and the archives. That's all about the history and political science came in the combined form for a 60 marks, 40 plus 40 for the history and 20 for the political science. It is very easy to gain up to 58 marks for history and political science. So please, hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope all of you doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the political science and syllabus. So let's get started. In the first unit, that is working of the constitution, in which we are going to learn about the democracy, right of the voting, right to information act, social justice and equality. These points we are going to cover in the first unit. In the second unit, that is the electoral process, in which we are going to cover the election commission, function of the election commission and the process of the elections. In the third unit, that is the political parties, in which we are going to learn about the political parties, changing parties in India, national parties, regional parties of the India. In the fourth unit, that is social and political movements, in which we are going to learn about what is movements, important movements happen in the India. In the fifth unit, that is challenges faced by Indian democracy, we are going to learn about the past challenges and the present challenges. That's all about the political science.